Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoy getting a closer look at the Destin West RV Resort, located on Okaloosa Island, adjacent to the Choctawhatchee Bay on Fort Walton Beach as well. As you can see here, I'll be zooming in Google Maps and give you a better look at the layout of the RV resort. It's across the highway from the Island, which is a sister hotel company, and you get full access to the Island resort as well. The pools, beach access, the bar and grill there as well. And very nice property. I'm going to circle here the Skywalk, which is an easy way to cross the highway. So it's pretty simple. There's an elevator. You just go right up the elevator on one side and down on the other side. In the morning, the highway is not super busy. You can also cross there if you wish. It's just good to plan ahead because it's a little bit of a haul to the beach, 5 minutes minimum just to get across, so make sure you bring all the stuff you need with you when you go to the beach. The park itself is really nice. You can see there's some shrubbery that separates all the different spaces, our site there, and it's one of the nicest RV parks we've ever been to. The Island Resort's really nice as well. Nearby, there's plenty of stuff to do, golf carts, mini golf, you name it, they pretty much have it, good restaurants and everything. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video. We're going to see a lot more of the beach here in a minute, so I really want you guys to see the really awesome sights from Destin Beach, which is probably the nicest beach that I've ever been to in the continental United States. So I think you'll enjoy seeing some of these from the sky shots here in a little bit. So sit back and enjoy, and thanks again for watching.